I'm going to repair the handle of this beautiful hand-woven market bag, which has become detached. I first started with the inner core, stitching it together thoroughly. It's some of the red threads you see in this image. And then trimming off the frayed pieces so that I can reinsert it into the leather holder where it is then going to be sewn in. And takes a good amount of strength to do this. I have strong hands, and that's good. I'm using a handmade sashiko thimble in my hand to help pull the needle through the leather. And it's tough work, but I actually find it enjoyable. It's just one stitch at a time, going through, pushing it through the leather. After each stitch, I take a knot. You'll see me wrap the thread around the needle. So I'll be knotting every stitch as I go through. I'm sewing with a very heavy-duty upholstery thread, which I have doubled. And I like to do this kind of work when it's quiet in the morning, or maybe late at night. But this morning I'm doing it and the sun is coming through the window, and it's just beautiful. There, I'm going around the needle to knot it. And I'm knotting after every stitch. And here I'm using a curved needle to pull out the threads so they're even and I don't get any knots or loop in my thread when I pull it tight. I'm going to continue sewing and I'll be back in a little while. So here I'm finishing up going around the front side, and now I'm going to turn the bag and go around the back side of the handle. I want to make sure it's stitched securely all the way around so that movement of the handle flopping over won't put undue pressure on the front side. I wanted the stress to be taken all the way around, and so this will make the bag really, really secure. And I want this bag to last for a long time. What happened? There we go. When it gets difficult to pull the needle through, I put a little wax on my fingers, and that helps me grip the needle. And here it is, all finished. It looks nice. It's really strong. I know the owner is going to be really happy with this. I really enjoyed working on this today.